private members. By designation a member private, you limit its accessibility to the class in which it is declared. The private member cannot be referred to from classes that inherit the class in which it is declared and cannot be accessed from outside the class. A class member can be made private by using private keyword in front of the member. When my class is inherited by another class using extend, my public will be visible. When my class is inherited by another class use extend, my public function will be visible, as well as will variable driver. The extending class will not have any answers of or access to my private function and variable $car because they are declared private. Protected members. A protected property or method is accessible in the class in which it is declared, as well as in classes that extend that class. Protected members are not available outside of those two kinds of classes. A class member can be made protected by using protected keyword in front of the member. Here is a different version of my class. You can see protected. Calling member functions. After creating an object, you will be able to call member functions related to that object. One member function will be able to process member variable for related object only. Following examples show how to set title and prices for 3 books by calling member functions. In here, physics is set title physics for high school. Chemistry, they set title as advanced chemistry. Maths, they set title as algebra. Then physics price is 10, chemistry price is 15, maths price they set to 7. Look at these. Now you call physics get title method, then output is physics for high school. Chemistry get title method, then advanced chemistry. Maths get title algebra. Then they called physics get price method. You can see here get price method was 10, then output is 10. Chemistry get price is 15, then output is 15. As like maths get price method call, then you get output as 7. Constructor functions. PHP 5 allows developers to create constructor methods for classes. Classes which have a constructor method call this method on each newly created object. So it is suitable for any installation that the object may need before it is used. PHP provides a special function called _construct to define a constructor. You can pass as many as arguments you like into the constructor function. Inheritance. Inheritance is a well-established programming principle, and PHP makes use of this principle in its object model. This principle will affect the way many classes and objects related to one another. PHP class definitions can optionally inherit from a parent class definition by using the extend clause. The syntax is as follows. Extend means one is extended by another, thus using the extends keyword increasing the readability and writability of the program. When you extend a class, the subclass inherit all of the public and protected methods from the parent class. Unless a class overrides those methods, they will retain their original functionality. This is useful for defining and abstracting functionality and permits the implementation of additional functionality in similar object without the need to re-implement all of the shared functionality. This example inherits books class adds more functionality based on the requirement. Now, apart from inherited function, class novel keeps two additional member functions. Function overriding. Function definitions in child classes override definitions with the same name in parent classes. In a child class, we can modify the definition of a function inherited from parent class. In the following example, getPrice and getTitle functions are override to return some values. If you have watched our video posed on object-oriented concepts in C#, you have noticed that there is the override keyword used when a function is overridden. But in PHP, there is no such word. This results in a lack of readability and understandability.